Hello everyone, welcome back to SG Riders. If you love reliable scooters, great mileage, and everyday comfort, then this video is just for you. Today, we are going to talk about one of India's most trusted scooters, the Honda Activa 6G. So watch this video till the end, because I'll share all the features, engine details, mileage, price, and whether this scooter is worth buying in 2026 or not. Motor scooter overview of Honda Activa 6G. The Honda Activa 6G is known as the family scooter of India. It is simple, strong, low maintenance, and extremely reliable. Honda has designed this scooter for daily city use, office rides, college students, and even senior citizens. Its smooth engine, comfortable seating, and trusted Honda quality make it one of the best-selling scooters even today. Gear, engine, and performance. The Honda Activa 6G comes with a 109.51 cubic centimeter single-cylinder, air-cooled engine. This engine produces around 7.7 horsepower of power and 8.9 Newton-meters of torque. It is paired with a CVT automatic gearbox, which makes riding very easy, especially in traffic. The scooter feels very smooth at low and medium speeds. For daily city rides, short trips, and stop-and-go traffic, the Activa 6G performs really well. Honda's engine is known for long life and silent operation, and this scooter follows the same tradition. Fuel pump mileage and fuel efficiency. Mileage is one of the biggest reasons people buy the Activa. In real-world conditions, the Honda Activa 6G delivers around 45 to 50 km per liter, depending on riding style and road conditions. With a 5.3-liter fuel tank, this scooter is perfect for daily commuting without frequent fuel stops. Hammer and Inch features and technology. The Honda Activa 6G comes with practical and useful features such as silent start with ACG motor, very smooth and noise-free start. Engine start/stop switch. External fuel filling, no need to open the seat. Combined braking system, CBS, for better safety. Telescopic front suspension for improved ride comfort. Metal body for better strength and durability. The instrument cluster is simple and easy to read, showing speed, fuel level, and basic indicators. Honda focuses more on reliability than flashy digital features, and that's why many people trust this scooter. Chair comfort and ride quality. Comfort is one of the strongest points of the Activa 6G. The seat is wide and well cushioned, suitable for long rides. Suspension works well on bad roads and speed breakers. Riding posture is upright, which reduces fatigue. This scooter is perfect for men, women, and senior citizens because it's easy to handle and well balanced. Artist palette design and build quality. The design of the Honda Activa 6G is clean and classy. It may not look sporty, but it looks premium and elegant. Honda offers this scooter in multiple color options. Build quality is solid, and the metal body adds to long-term durability. Money bag price and variants. The ex-showroom price of the Honda Activa 6G starts from around 76,000 Indian rupees and goes up depending on the variant and city. It is available in standard and deluxe variants. Considering Honda's reliability, mileage, and resale value, the pricing feels justified. White heavy checkmark final verdict. Should you buy it? If you want a reliable, fuel-efficient, low-maintenance scooter for daily use, then the Honda Activa 6G is still a great choice. It is not for racing or sporty riding, but for comfort and peace of mind, it is excellent. Bell subscribe CTA/. So friends, this was our complete review of the Honda Activa 6G. If you liked this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel, SG Riders. Comment below, and tell us what scooter or bike you want to see next. Thanks for watching, ride safe, and see you in the next video.